Hey folks, today we're taking a look at a new tape simulator effect app that was just released called TapeScam. TapeScam? It's based on the famous TapeScam 4-track recorder, which I've always wanted. I've got to say, even though the UI is super simple, it entirely nails the vibe. In this video, I'm going to make a quick beat in Koala Sampler using the IAP sound packs, then we'll open up the track in AUM and add some effects using TapeScam, or TapeScam. TapeScam sounds better. TapeScam. This is Charles Vestal's second app following the release of Punchline, which has pocket operator vibes. That app was made using AudioKit, but TapeScam, I can't get past that. Is it TapeScam? TapeScam uses custom DSP Charles originally wrote for the Daisy Seed. That code, by the way, is available on GitHub if you feel like looking at sausage, like how the sausage is made. I like to hoard microcontrollers and lo-fi tape effects because I have my priorities straight. If you're familiar with lo-fi tape effects, then you'll recognize most of these controls. It has drive, color, flutter, noise, tone, and output with age and tape algorithms and a compressor. Look, we all know how tape effects sounds, and if you don't, you're about to hear it. But first, let's finish up this fire beat, bro. Now over in AUM, which is an AUv3 host application, we can start playing our Koala track and add TapeScam as an effect. Well, I think this app sounds fantastic. I know not everyone is into this lo-fi type of sound, and that's okay, because I still love you. And that's it. Congrats to Charles on another awesome app launch. Let me know what you think of TapeScam down in the comments, and
feed the algorithm.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.